कोकणात प्रथमच आम्ही घेऊन येतोय स्वातंत्र्यपूर्व काळापासून तब्बल शतकाची यशस्वी वाटचाल करणारं आणि इंग्रजी पत्रकारितेचा मानबिंदू असलेलं जगप्रसिद्ध दैनिक द फ्री प्रेस जर्नल.
Hey, hi, this is Professor Rajaram, Founder Chairman, Perfect Academy, Konkan's #1 institute for JEE, NEET and other entrance exams. I'm taking this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Fomento Media from Goa and Konkan's #1 Maha channel, Konkan Saad Live, because they have taken a very good initiative which is going to be a revolutionary thing in future, in coming future, because from today onwards they started they have launched Konkan's first very own English newspaper, that is Free Press Journal. In fact, Free Press Journal has a legacy of 94 years, and Fomento Media and Free Press Journal have come together yesterday onwards. In a grand ceremony they have signed the information exchange agreement, and I was fortunate enough to be the part of that ceremony. But today onwards they have decided to circulate this very own English newspaper of Konkan to lakhs and lakhs of youngsters and students and children of our district, Sindhudurga, Ratnagiri, as well as in Goa. So this is going to be our opportunity, this is going to be our time where our own problem from Konkan we will be able to raise our voices. We will be able to tell people from Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Gujarat, Chennai, Bangalore that this is happening in Konkan, that we are also developing, we are also working hard, okay, towards progress, and we do have right to educate ourselves and move towards progress. And this revolutionary, see, for revolutionary decisions we need revolutionary people and revolutionary team. So if this initiative of launching English newspaper in Konkan would have been taken by someone, that had to be Konkan Saad Live and Fomento Media. So I congratulate Mr. Louis Joe and his entire team of Fomento Media, because he is so enthusiastic person and realistic person. I congratulate their chairman Timloji. I congratulate editor-in-chief Sagar Chawanji of Konkan Saad Live, because recently we met in multiple events, and I shared this thing with him, that if our youngster needs to be better and needs to be known throughout the country, we need to upgrade ourselves in communication skills, specifically English communication skills, because there are many youngsters like me, they have studied in vernacular medium, so they have to struggle at least in initial part of their life in order to communicate properly in English. And the best way to upgrade your communication skill, best way to upgrade your knowledge is by reading, okay. And if you read English newspaper daily, definitely it is going to help you. So I appeal to all my students and children from Konkan, reading local newspaper in Marathi language is definitely, you keep it you keep it up, but you also make a habit of reading English newspaper and our own English newspaper, Free Press Journal, from tomorrow onward. I wish all the best to Konkan Saad Live team once again, and we have our hopes alive, and we have lot of hopes from them that they'll keep on coming with such new things. Thank you so much.